Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sign a document sent by email on your iPhone. First, open the email with the attached document. Tap the attachment to view it directly within the mail application. Once the document is open, locate the markup icon, which looks like a pen tip or a small circle with a pen inside. This icon is usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen, allowing you to begin the signing process. After tapping the markup icon, a toolbar will appear at the bottom of your screen, offering various editing options. To add your signature, tap the plus sign icon, typically located in the bottom right corner of the markup toolbar. From the menu that pops up, select Signature. This action will open a new window where you can create or insert your signature, making the process straightforward and efficient. If you haven't signed a document on your iPhone before, you will be prompted to create a new signature. Use your finger to draw your signature clearly on the line provided. If you have a saved signature, you can simply select it from the list. Once your signature is on the document, you can easily drag it to the correct position and pinch to resize it, ensuring it fits perfectly within the designated signature line. Once your signature is perfectly placed and sized, tap the Done button, usually found in the upper left corner of your screen. This action will save your changes to the document. You will then be given options to reply to the original email with the signed document or create a new message. Select your preferred option, confirm the recipient, and send the email. Your signed document is now on its way, all done from your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.